Okay, very good morning, students. Previous class we are discussed in theoretical part of grid view layout and table layout and card view layout. These all things. Now we are going to discuss in practical manner how to we are going to design a next screen. So in this particular portion, we are going to develop a screen that is nothing but a Android activity login screen. So in login screen, we are going to maintain the three buttons. One is nothing but a login, registration, and forget password. So we are already discussed about the another concept is called as a intent, that is for the purpose of the navigation. So how to navigate it from the one screen to another screen by using a customization, we are using the intent concept. So how to implement the intent concept, we are already implemented and we are implemented through the Android. Now we are going to discuss about the what is the concept is nothing but a, whether you are click the login page, you need to design your home screen. So in this regard, we are going to design, go to the home screen design. We are develop the how to develop a home screen. Here home screen, if you want to display the that is nothing but we want to display the icons with navigation purpose for the different activities. So that means if you want to the home screen is generally designed for the dashboard concepts. Home screen is nothing but the main content of the any other app. For example, if it is a student app, you need to be design a icons with the logo name. We need to display as tiles. So those tiles, once you click into navigate to the another activity, like that only we can design, assume as a design. So in this regard, we required a concept is called as a use the grid layout. So how to we are going to use the grid layout, let us check it. So in this regard, first of all, in this particular screen, we are going to apply as a linear layout, and one of the most proper properties called as a orientation vertical. Okay, so I don't want to use the text view. Okay, next in generally put the padding, it is very helpful to you, 16 dp. Okay, now I would like to use the grid view for arranging the your icons. Grid view, and grid view which is consists the match with the parent and match with the parent. So now grid view will be arranged. So in this grid view, we need to be display the tiles. We need to be first of all give the row count. Sorry, not a grid view. Sorry, it is a grid layout. Grid view is the another thing. Okay. Now I would like to maintain the ID for grid view. GRD icons. Next, I would like to display the how many rows I would like to display here. 4 rows. Next, the column count, 2 column counts. Okay. Next, if you want to maintain anything, you need to be display all the margins, alignment modes, all bounds, all margins. Okay, let us check it what will happen. Okay, next one is okay, now I would like to display the images, uh, image view. Image view match with the parent. Okay, image view, image view. Okay, and with the tag. Next, width, layout width match with the parent, and height wrap with the content. Let us check. And I would like to use source, so I would like to log in. Okay, next, I don't want to arrange this one. Next. Okay, um row count, column count. Okay, wrap with the content. Let us check. Okay, wrap with the content, wrap with the content. Next, oh, horizontal, vertical, good. Okay, no issue. Let us check with another property, column order preserved false. What will happen? Nothing happened. And this layout width is I would like to use as a 25 dp. Yes, 25 dp. The image is very high, that's why 125 dp and 125 dp. Okay, next this one also 125 dp. So this is already we are discussed in class how to change the order. Okay, now check with the properties called what will happen. Let us check. 2 by 2, 2 by 4, not 3, 2, 2. Okay, let us check with true. What will happen? Nothing will happen. And match with the parent, and height also I would like to use match with the parent. Okay, okay. Next, the image consists the column weight 1, and there is another part is called as a row height. Row height. So, okay. Same properties for the another image. Okay. Now I would like to paste it another images on the two images. What will happen? Let us check. Okay. Uh, better to row height to what will happen? No. Check each and everything is nothing but a testing. Here we require to test each and everything. Okay. Uh, grid layout. I would like to height and width make it as a 100, 100. Same properties. I would like to paste it for each and everything. Okay, so these properties makes you, if you want to arrange another two, what will happen? Let us check. So here we each and everything we need to test like this only we can make it as a. Okay, uh, next here all margins we are put it as all margins. Let us check what is the property, another property, all bounds. Okay, nothing will happen, all margins only we can kept. These are the properties which is at runtime it will be show the properties, all uh, false. Okay, uh, better to reduce the icon size. I think 75 is the enough. Once you change the all the things, then only grid layout will be changed automatically. If you are not change the all the images, what will happen? There is a no changes in happen in the grid layout. Okay, okay. there is no change. Let us check, reveal the app and see the what is our output of home. Once you click the login, it will display like this. So each one is there we consider as a icon. Okay, so that means it is a home page. We are assume as an icon. Once you click the icon, then it will be navigated into their own page like this. We can arrange in the grid layout. So this is the use of the grid layout, which is helpful for to display the data in a grid manner, that means in a organized manner. Okay, if you are changed row count 3 and column count as a 3, what will happen? See, okay, you can understand the 3. Okay, so it is useful for arranging your icons, arranging your content in a table manner. You can use this particular concept. Okay, so I would like to use 2. So there is a possible row count and possible column count. The combination of 2 by 2 and combination of 3 by 3, then only it will be useful. If you are not useful, what will happen? It show it as a very ugly. It look like a ugly. So now there is another properties of image view is nothing but what is layout width, layout height. We are represented as a 0 dp. What will happen? Let us check. Okay, auto arrangement. These all things are auto arrangements. So that's why we will give the row height and row column. So there is a no 0 width and 0 height. Why? Because the property of assuming you have a drawable resources named icon 1, icon 2, the property of column height and row height, which is represented as a auto arrangements. Okay, so that's why it is look like this. Okay, some of the things are miss. No, not miss. 0 dp, 0 dp, 0 dp, 0 dp. Okay, all the things are 0 dp. Now I would like to use the property called gravity. We are already discussed about what is the meaning of gravity, layout gravity. Okay, okay, so I would like to copy and paste into the each and every. So some of the properties are change your design very attractively. So we need to know each and every property, then only it will look like a good. Okay, so let us check in what is the output file, how it is represented as a in element. Okay, click on login. Okay, now see look like a gravity which is not touched with any other. So see, grids are created like this and it is aligned in the center, which is not connected with the another. Okay, now if you want to reduce your icon size, so you can add the some other fields, that is nothing but a make attractively. So here the very important points are nothing but a column count indicates the grid will have the 3 columns, and if you are represented as a 3, yeah, now we are represented as a 3 2, it seemed as a 2 columns, and row count 2, it seems as a row counts 2. Okay, so the grid will have 3 rows, indicate that 3 rows if you are represented as a 3, and each image will cell grid an icon. And now if you want to put it as a column weight 1 and layout row height is a 1, are used to distribute the space equally among all the rows. So that's why we are put it as a layout with 0 dp and layout height as a 0 dp. That's why it is automatically arranged the. Now very important property is nothing but the gravity, which is makes the view fill itself in cell. It is represented as a, and it repeat the image view block each and you included the grid and drawable sources will be necessary to each icon. Each icon it will be displayed. So now you can change the icons. Okay, for example, I would like to um, go to Google. One is nothing but a student profile. uh, Results, image. Okay, images. Okay, I would like to use the results. Okay, result. uh, Save image as results desktop, and just use as a results.jpg. Save. And what is the next step? Minimize the your Android. Okay, and you can do another thing. You just copy it, control C, or otherwise right click to copy, and go to project folder, and go to the res folder, and go to the resource drawable, paste it. uh, okay, minimize it. Again you download, save image, desktop, results. Okay, drag and drop into drawable folder. Okay, okay. Next, refactor. Don't put the capital letters. Better to avoid the capital letters. Go to src. Okay, results. Say now, check and restart your app. So here I don't want to change the each and every image size, resizable, and everything. Why? Because we are using the such kind of properties. That's why it look like a each and every image, each and every icon look like a specific size and height. Okay, that is possible of these particular properties only. Okay, now our main intention is once you click the results, we are going to the results activity. So how to we are going to go to the results activity? So before that we need to put the id. First one is std profile. Next one is id std results. Okay, now we would like to click the results, then we are going to navigate into the another page. So in this particular regard, we require to project, go to layout folder, click on right click, new, main activity, that is nothing but a blank activity, empty and activity. mm, okay, I put it as a results activity. Okay, so it is already created as a two things. One is nothing but a activity results xml file, and the second one is nothing but a kt file. So whether you are created activity, any activity, you require to know how to create it, how it is useful. Next, I would like to use the text view. Okay, match with the parents, match with the parents. uh, Text or results. Align, text align, center. Okay, so make it as a linear layout. Okay, and orientation as a vertical. Okay, text size 55 dp. Okay, now it looks like good. Now in the activity home, whether I click the button std results, go to the class, how to navigate the class kt, and in the override function I would like to first of all where button results equals to find view by id, that is nothing but a image view. Yes, r dot id dot button results. Now button results dot set on click listener and put it the curly brace, not a function it is. Now where I equals to intent. In intent, what is the thing you require to do, what is the existing, so represent as a this. Next, what is the how to you are going to navigate it, that is nothing but a results activity. Yes, result activity is nothing but a java dot class dot java. Now start activity of I. Okay, now everything is completed. Now restart the your particular app, rebuild the app, and go to the your mobile. Once it restarted, automatically start with the login page only. Now I would like to go click on the login button. I would like to click on the results. Now it will be navigated into the results page. Okay, so this is the content for grid layout. Okay, with the example. Thank you.